Female runner 3517, go. Male runner 5555.
Nag-viral itong video na ito dahil sa kakaibang style ng fun run na para bang nag-attendance. Sa tingin nyo, effective ba ang ganitong style na fun run? Tara, comment down below.
Female runner 3516, go. Male runner 5019, go. Male runner 10009, go. Female runner 3513.